Good morning, everybody. My name is Cash, and I work for Rick Case. I sell Hyundais and Genesis on the new side and pretty much everything under the sun on the pre-owned side. Today, we're taking a look at a brand new trim level for 2024. This here is the XRT model for the Santa Cruz. A couple things on it. We got these red center caps on the wheels. Looks really nice. We have this black kind of cladding on the vehicle. Santa Cruz embossed there. Really aggressive side steps and everything. Looks nice on the car, actually. And this is kind of what the front looks like for you. This grille up front is a little bit more aggressive at the bottom piece here. And you got your smart cruise control radar at the bottom, kind of tucked away nicely. Good looking car. This one does sport the 2.5 turbo 4-cylinder on the vehicle. So really nice power delivery. And the 2.5s at the moment come standard all-wheel drive. Got the XRT badging. It's blacked out Santa Cruz. And up top here, we got these rails. They just look good. If you got any questions on this car or everything else in the Hyundai lineup, feel free to call or text me directly. 603-858-4511 is my direct cell. Thanks so much. Take care, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.